You are watching a master at work.
Some time ago, 3 friends came together and formed a group that would completely take over the compa industry. Their name, Carimi. Drowning themselves in the studio in the hopes of creating a new sound, one that was uncommon in the Haitian music industry at the time. These guys found themselves putting to paper some profound, socially charged lyrics that encompassed the troubles in their native land. IAT Bang Bang was released in summer of 2001. Instantly, Carimi became a household name. They became famous because it is composed of the most talented band members of all time. Carimi band members are not only professional musicians, but as well as college degree holders. For a start, Carlo graduated at University of Rutgers with a degree of Bachelor's of Economics and Political Science. Richard, known as Rika, has a degree in finance. Mikael, the lead singer of Carimi band, also has a degree in business. This amazing group that has been around for over a decade, year after year, continues to remain on the charts with their former albums, Nasty Business, Bang Bang, Are You Ready, Buzz, and their latest album, Invasion, sets the trend for all new and upcoming compa artists.
Ladies are taking over! Là oui. Ça dit mes questions yo.
Depuis Alex les connaissent Alexandra. Depuis Christian les connaissent Christina. Nos mesdames yo transformées en nos garçons. Depuis téléphone nous sommes nés.
T'es tout chaud, t'es tout chaud. Envahis ma caisse MS.
We would like to thank you for watching our performance. This has been another FAMU, FSU, TCC, Haitian Cultural Club production.
Got a new boys of BT right here. How y'all feeling? We go to New Orleans, man. Yeah. Car number 1. Car number 2.